Well, that's it.
Oh, no problem. Okay.
So we're chilling, our plane.
Oh, like we're sardines.
Use this as a canopy, so we're gonna put our feet. I'm sorry, I couldn't get it to stay up on the side.
I'd be sitting on somebody.
Could be a real one. If you pull your legs in, there's more room.
Yeah. Look at all the people trying.
We're all dead. Pull your legs in.
Whoa, look at us.
Wow.
That's cool. It's like elementary school.
Technically, parachute thing, yeah.